Welcome back to another new topic, and this topic is called localization. And I would like to start talking about localization by talking about languages. I am using this blog and this specific article just to demonstrate an idea. I'm not 100% sure of how accurate is this article, but I will consider it as accurate as it possibly can. So let's see here, we have a couple of languages, and that's the most spoken language on earth. English is spoken by 1,100,000,000. That Mandarin is just Chinese. Hindi, which is Indian. Spanish, French, Arabic, Belgian, Russia, Portuguese, and Indonesia. So anyway, right now our app only supports English. So we want to allow other users who speak multiple language to use our app. So let me just tell you, why don't this for example, Mandarin Chinese, why don't they speak English? Now let's see. Despite English being taught in Chinese school system for many years, few Chinese can be considered fluent. We don't want fluent, we want conversational. But less than 1% of people are conversational. So basically we can't let Chinese understand our English. So we lost right now kind of 1 billion. Like if you have taken this 1% and from this one it's kind of 100 million, you will have still 1 billion people who can't use your app. So now that's for Chinese. Let's go for Indian. Does Indian speak English? Less than 0.1% speak English as first language. I don't really care about first language. I want to care about conversational level, like people who can use an app. Around 30% can speak English to some content. So let's say we have 30% that can use it. That means like we have around 200 million, let's say 200 million who can use our app. That means there is 400 million who can't use our app. Same goes for Spanish, which is Spanish speak English, but they don't really fluent with it. They can't. For this example, 60% can speak, read, or write in English, but remaining 40% can speak. So around half of this, like 250 million, can't speak English, so they can't really use our apps. If you added each, like French, like Arabic, like everyone in this list, you will probably find like you have maybe 6 billion people who can't use your app, or maybe 5 billion. Like that's large number. You need to make your app scalable to most people, to all around the world, so you can for your own good. Like if you had an app and you had a client who want to translate your app for a certain language, you need to know how can you make it work to that specific language, because opening another language, it's like opening the door for multiple regions, opening more to another countries, another cities, another continents. Like there are a big world out there, and you need to serve all those billions of users some way.